At a distance of 89 kilometers from Chikmagalur, Ermayi Falls is a mesmerizing multi-layered waterfall that slides down the rocky terrain from 75 feet. To reach this place, one can travel to Ujire. From there, reach Mundaji, take the diversion towards Didup village. After heading 6 kilometers from there, you get the point to take the route to Ermayi Falls, just before the Khajur Dargah, on which four-wheelers can move for about a kilometer. One has to cross the Ermayi stream thereafter and resort to trekking to cover the remaining stretch of about 1.5 kilometers to reach the destination.